Hi there. Thanks for coming back. I'm glad you're back, and welcome to the new people too. So I hope that you didn't just stop by once and you're not coming back, because I'd like you to be one of the comeback people. Today I've got a lot of things to share with you that are fun and kind of unusual. So just wait and I'll tell you the story and you'll love it. The Ghostly Sneeze, a folk tale from Picardy, France. It was once believed that the road to Ingolbermar was haunted. Travelers along the road would suddenly be startled by a violent sneezing sound. Ashoo! 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 The traveler would stop, stare around, call out, "Who's there?" But no one ever answered. The traveler would start on down the road again, but soon, ashoo! 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 Word got around that a sneezing ghost haunted the road. The ghost seemed to be teasing people, following them along their way, sneezing at them every time they began to feel they were safe again. The people of the region eventually got used to the sneezing ghost. Whenever he would start up with his ashoo business, they would just cross themselves and go on. But one night, a farmer was returning late from market when the ghost started following him. Ashoo! 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 This went on for half an hour without letting up. Finally, the farmer could not stand no more of it. "Enough with your sneezing," he shouted. "May God bless you and your cold." Instantly, the sneezing stopped, and a ghostly form appeared before him. "Thank you, my friend," spoke the ghost. "You have delivered me from this meandering sneezing. I was condemned to wander this road sneezing until some kind soul should say to me, 'God bless you.'" With that, the ghost disappeared. But if a sneeze was ever heard on that road again, it was the sneeze of a human, not a ghost. Next morning, the farmer hurried to tell everyone in the village about the good news. And from then on, whenever anyone sneezed, everyone would shout, "God bless you!" And today, we still do it. Ashoo! God bless you. Wasn't that fun? Do you believe in ghosts? After hearing this story, I bet you do. Well, next time I tell you something, it won't be about ghosts, but wait and see, and come back soon. Have a great day. Thanks.